Well, tomorrow, the Supreme Court will hear arguments about the Biden administration's student debt relief plan. Charmaine Nero joins us now with where things stand ahead of tomorrow's hearing. Charmaine?
Well, President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan has been the topic of discussion for the past few months. And so far, 26 million borrowers have applied for student loan forgiveness, with many in limbo pending the Supreme Court's decision.
There are two cases that are going to be heard by the U.S. Supreme Court. One from Texas, and the other is led by Nebraska.
After months of debate, the Supreme Court is hearing two challenges to Biden's controversial student loan forgiveness plan. One involves 6 Republican-led states that sued. The other involves a lawsuit filed by 2 students.
The president would like to forgive up to $20,000 per borrower for borrowers of federal student loans whose income is under 125,000 if single, 250,000 if married.
The plan makes 43 million borrowers eligible for some debt forgiveness. Student loan expert Mark Kantrowitz says he expects the justices to be focused on several big issues.
Well, the two main issues are whether the plaintiffs have legal standing to bring the lawsuit, and then to evaluate the case on the merits. In the Texas case, I would expect the justices to overturn that appeals court ruling. The Nebraska case, on the other hand, is much stronger.
While it still could take weeks to months for an outcome, Kantrowitz says changes are expected when it comes to the current pause on student loan debt.
So the payment pause and interest waiver will continue until 60 days after the Supreme Court issues a ruling.
Now, it could still take months before borrowers learn the outcome of the case. The court normally issues decisions by the end of June before heading to summer break. Back to you.
All right, Charmaine, thank you.